If you're having some software issues with your Sony WH-1000XM5 headphones, then resetting it back to factory settings and restoring everything to default is the easiest way to fix this. And only in this video you'll find all 3 different ways to either soft reset or hard reset your Sony XM5, either from the app or right from the headphones. First, I'll show you how to soft reset your Sony Mark 5s in case you don't want to repair it and retain all the settings. For this, you'll need to connect the headphones to a charger, then just press both the power and noise cancelling button together to soft reset your Sony headphones. Then unplug it and you'll be able to connect and use it right away. But if this didn't help or you want to perform a hard reset, then there's 2 ways to go about it. The clean way to do it is from the Sony Headphones app, and everyone should have it. So let's open up the Headphones app, and you'll have to have your headphones powered on and connected to the app. Then we'll head to System Settings, scroll down, and select Initialize Settings. You'll get 2 options. We'll choose the bottom one as we only want to reset our headphones. And as you can see, all of your headphone settings will be restored to factory default. So if you want to proceed, tap on Initialize, then you'll need to press OK. Then it will instantly say that initialization is complete, which means your headphones are now reset. After the reset, turn your headphones back on and tap on it to re-register. The third way is to do it straight from the headphones in case they are totally unresponsive and won't even connect. For that, you'll need to grab your headphones, turn it off first by holding down the power button for 3 seconds, then hold down both the power and the noise cancelling button together for at least 7 seconds until you see the blue LED flash 4 times. This indicates your headphones are now factory reset back to default settings. And as usual, just connect them back to your phone or PC, and they'll feel as good as new. If this helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up, support us by subscribing, and keep on jamming.